Today we are talking project closet clean out once again. Today I'm going to be going through my closet that holds all of my tops, shirts, t-shirts, things like that. Now, if you had watched my previous video all about my jeans purging and cleaning out, and I will link that up here for you. However, that being said, jeans are something that each pair I needed to try on to realize the cut, the color, things like that. With tops, I feel like it's gonna move a little bit quicker, but there's way more of them. Right here is what the closet currently looks like. It is a mess because I have not had a chance to get to it. I kind of shoved a lot of stuff in there after we got back from the end of summer. The top shelving is definitely more blouses, tops, sweaters, things like that. And then the bottom left rack is all t-shirts, graphic t-shirts, and on the right are more sleeveless options, camis, things like that. Now, my t-shirts are all going to be folded and put away so that I can see which one it is and kind of make decisions that way. The rest of the tops, I'm actually going to pull them out and I'm going to go one by one. My 7 questions I ask myself for any decision I'm making on these clothes as I am cleaning out. And so with this, I'm going to be thinking those questions through as I go through each and every item. But for today, I'm going to show you each item and then I'm going to put them into piles of yes, no, and maybe. Before I jump into this, if you are interested in any of the items that you see me saying are a no for me, but you think they might work for you, check out my Poshmark. It'll be listed down below. That is where I list all of these items for sale. Starting out with a bunch of them that I grabbed, I've got basic white tees from Amazon Essentials, and then all of these are different graphic tees from Sassy Queen Boutique, which is my go-to for any graphic tee. So I'm gonna take these and actually fold them up and put them in my drawers because all of them are ones that I wear. And even if it isn't something that I wear as a graphic tee out as part of my outfit, they're great for layering underneath too. Pulled out another set, all graphic tees, still different colors that go through, different ones I have here. So all of these, again, are going in those drawers to be folded. Onto the tank top side, I have a few white high-necked ribbed tanks, which are one of my go-to things. I always keep one of these. These are my favorite like body shaping tanks. They're by a brand called Ebby. You will see them in so many different colors. They're great for layering or wearing on their own. This is a top from J. Crew that's a little bit of a flutter sleeve top. It's cute. It's a good layering basic. I wore it in the summertime. That one's a maybe. This is a bodysuit from Venus. It is a high necked as well. It is a bodysuit. I actually never wore it. So I think this one's gonna be a no or a go, depending on which way you say it. Then we have, I got this before we went to Disney. It's cute. This one's a maybe. See, it's hard with some of these type of tops because as it starts getting in a little bit cooler, I don't picture myself wearing them as much. So it's harder to decide. This is an old top. And I actually still love it. It's one of those ones that it just always makes me feel good when I have it on. I don't even know who made that. This is a Madewell V-neck tank. I love these for in the summertime. They are great, just tops to throw on in different colors. This next tank, again, it's just some t-shirt tanks that are in some colors. This I do as well have in that Ebby, that's the seamless tank. This is an Everave top. It has a tie off the shoulder. It's great. It has a cute little detail to it. And then a Venus bodysuit, that same one. I must have been on a kick with that, but I never wore it. And then the Ebby seamless tank again in a teal color. This is a cute little bow top, I think from the brand CC that I really like. I have another one of those Madewell tanks. Those are always good for summertime. Ebby, I also have one of their bodysuits that are a seamless bodysuit in the leopard print. Not as much into a leopard print anymore, but it looks really nice under a black blazer and just a pop of it. Ebby in more of a neutral tone. It actually looks really great under white tops if you're worried that you can see through it. This I've had forever, and it's actually from Forever 21. It always looks amazing on. It's one of those items that I just haven't grabbed for because I can't link it anymore and you can't find it, but I love it so much I need to keep it. An Ebby tank in black. So these, by the way, also are a V-neck and a rounded neck, depending on which side you need. This one is an old kind of version of the Ebby before it was a thing. I don't really need two black ones, so that can go. I have a lot of black tops that I wear a lot in the summertime. I like a black top with white jeans. So this one's kind of just a wrap at the top type of top. Ebby has a black version of that same leopard one in a bodysuit. This layered kind of fluttery top. I haven't grabbed for that in quite some time, so that is a go. This is a super cute, it has lace at the top and it's just a little black top. I really like it, but I don't grab for it at all. So that is a go. This was an old tank top. I think this was like a body shaping one, because see how it's the tank here in like a cotton material, then it's more slimming through here. I couldn't tell you the last time I grabbed for that. And then this one is a Wild Fable bodysuit. I think I saw someone wearing it. I was like, oh, I would love that. And I've never worn it once. Making my way through. So this is from Waif and it's a bodysuit, but it has shoulder pads in it. And I really love the look of it. It is short sleeve. This is just a V-neck bodysuit. I don't think I've ever worn it. This is a square necked bodysuit. I don't know what provoked me to have so many bodysuits. I don't personally like bodysuits. Then I just have a couple t-shirts. I have a white, this thing is long, crazy long. That one it can go. Just a Vineyard Vines tee, just a basic tee. Then I have a local Cape Shark tee that I wear. I don't have a whole lot of long sleeve, like this is an old graphic tee. Wow, didn't even realize I had that, but these will all stay. This is moving pretty quick. I'm about halfway through. This is a white kind of tapered at the waist flutter top. I wore it once or twice, but it's not something I grabbed for. Who is this top by? I don't even know. Loft. It's cute. White tee with a cute flutter sleeve detail, but I can't tell you the last time I wore it. This is from the brand CC. Again, another white tee with a cute detail. So I always love the look. So I always love the look of a white tee with a detail, but I always go to my basics that I have. This is another one. This one has more of a puff sleeve to it. All of these are going, by the way. I have a white button-down puff sleeve bodysuit. No idea why. In theory, that sounds great, but no. Then I have a white V-neck long sleeve bodysuit. That one can go. And then this was a white, this was from Halogen. It was a white button down, has some fuzz on it, that actually is a wrap top as well. I always thought I was gonna wear it and it just doesn't suit my body type. This is my favorite tee. I have two of them. It is a white tee. I love this sleeve detail. Something about this, every time I wear it, I feel amazing. I have had this for quite some time. This one actually needs to go into the donate. It is a white sweatshirt style sweater, but it's just kind of pilling and it needs to go. This is a white turtleneck with a button detail on it from White House Black Market that I got last year, and I kept going, oh, I'm gonna wear that, but I'm not. This is a white button down from the brand Splendid. I've had it for quite some time. It has the rolled up sleeves. I need to keep my white button downs if I like them even remotely, because we do go through them or get things on them. This is from Open Edit. This is a white long, it's super long, like to wear with a pair of leggings, button down shirt. This one is from Billabong. This is more casual. This is one that I should wear in summertime. I should probably actually put it at the Cape House because that would probably be the time I wear it. Just gives a little bit of a texture to the outfit because of the window pane. Here's that other one of that Free People top. I love this. This is a Banana Republic. It's just a white button down. It also has a sleeve detail of like a blue trim. I love when I have this one on, and I already forgot about it. This one might make its way into my winter because it's a little bit thicker of a white shirt. Next, I love this. This is a white fisherman cable knit sweater from the brand Pura Cashmere. Pura Cashmere, I think. I absolutely love their sweaters. Does anybody have a good suggestion of how to store sweaters? This is how it comes back from the dry cleaner, but then I also had them in drawers, but they're hard to find. But if I hang them on a hanger, they get weird, like marks on the shoulders. Any suggestions are greatly appreciated. This is a washable silk top from the brand Ebby. It's great for so many different things. This is a white round neck cashmere sweater. Now, here's the thing with white cashmere. It's not really white, you can tell. It's more of an off-white. I love them for layering in through the winter. These are easier to hang this way. It's just chunkier knit sweaters that I struggle with. This one is from Nordstrom Cashmere. As you can see the hanger through this. They are usually something that I have to layer. I use that Ebby tank underneath of it. I forget who this is from. Is this actually, you know what, this is from that Pura too. It is a cream colored cable knit turtleneck sweater. Again, see how I struggle with those? Then you've got this, it was from Venus. It is a 3/4 zip sweater. I have a different one that I grabbed for more than this. Here's the one that I grabbed for more than that. This one I love this one. It's so nice and it's just a little bit softer and it's longer. I got this from Evereve. And I'm like, I love the look of it, but I'm like, when I want a turtleneck, I don't want short sleeves. And when I want short sleeves, I don't want a turtleneck. Every time I try and wear it, I go, why did I keep that? That waif padded shouldered bodysuit. Again, now waif and Ebby are probably the only two bodysuits that I like thus far. I take that back. Good American, I think I have one. This is so soft, so comfy. I always size up in bodysuits. This is from Pura Cashmere. I actually love the detailing on the side of this. Can you see that line on the side? And then at the sleeve, I got it in a size large. I wish I got it in a size medium. This one's a let me think about it one. I have no idea where this one is from. No idea. It's cute. It's more of your mock neck. It has a cute little button detail at the sleeve. I don't need it. Again, no idea where I got this one. This one is more of a open knit with kind of a tapered sleeve. It's a little bit more cropped. Don't need it. This is a Franklin Flannels. This is a just kind of like tie-dyed, not tie-dyed. Is it tie-dyed? Bleach. That's the word I was looking for. Flannel. It's very nice. All of the flannels that I've had until now have all been more colorful ones like this. I do like this one. It's very well made. This is from Waif. This is a sweater bodysuit. I always think I'm going to wear this and I just don't, but this one's a maybe. I'm going to put that on and decide. This blouse, I love this. I think I got it from Evereve. It just looks good on. It's great around the holidays. It's got that fall vibe. Another one of the Pura, it is Pura, by the way, Fisherman cable knits. I love these sweaters from them. Then I have a camouflage cashmere sweater. I love the feel of it. I love the colors of it, but every time I put it on, something about it doesn't work on me. Next up, I have a top that I got from Evereve. I actually really like this. It's super cute. It's banded, so it actually crops up nice. But the thing I remember about it is something about the material is I felt like when I was sweating, because we went to a restaurant that was super hot one time and I wore this, and I felt like you could see it. So I'm gonna put this on and think about this. One of my favorite cashmere brands is the brand Aqua. I think it's from like Saks, Fifth Avenue, and you can get them on a great deal at the end of the season. I have them in so many different colors. This one is just beautiful. I've had this top for quite some time, and I have a fear if I get rid of it, I'm not gonna find something like it, but I forget about it. I think I need to keep it, try it again next spring, because I do love the look of it. I do like this. I've had this for some time. I don't know, just this color makes me happy in the spring. I have a couple chambray style tops. Actually, they're from J. Crew, I think, or J. Crew Factory, who knows. I do grab for these and wear these a lot in the spring and summer. An Ann Taylor cashmere V-neck sweater. This is an off-the-shoulder top that I got. I think it's Free People, if I remember right. And I got it a while ago. I wore it. It's more of a tunic style. I do not do well with completely off the shoulder, which makes me rethink that striped one. That one I might have to try on. So this one's going. Then I have a blue and white striped shirt. This is just a great oversized blouse that I got. I think I got this from Target, but it just can be worn so many different ways. We are rounding down towards the end. That Aqua again in blue. I have this J. Crew top that I wear a lot in the summer. Rails button down, as I mentioned, in more the hunter plaid in a more colorful look. This was from Faraday. It is a waffle knit sweater, I would guess you would call it. I don't remember where I got this. I love the color, don't love the ribbing. A satin kind of, I don't even know who the Vichy satin button down. Love the color, but this material, I feel like I would sweat through it. This is a hoodie sweater that I got a couple years ago from Caslon. I love it. It's so soft and so easy to layer. Another turtleneck cable knit from Pura Cashmere. They and Aqua are my two favorite cashmeres, and actually Pura gives me a discount code, so let me see if that still works, and if so, I'll put it down below for you. This is a structured shoulder pad style sweater top, and I do actually wear this a lot. It's actually very soft and cozy. It might be a good one to incorporate into my fall capsule. Collagen crew neck cashmere, and then a BP ribbed V-neck shirt. This one is just a combination between a shirt and a sweater. I always think that I'm going to wear stripes because I think they have such a classic look to them, but they just, I love the look of this, but I know I won't wear it. This was a sweatshirt from J. Crew. It has a great button detail there. I always like wearing that though. A darker gray crew neck sweater. Again, I want to love this. I don't know. This one's a maybe. Again, stripe section, can you tell? This just doesn't work on me. Another one, V-neck. However, I will say this. I do remember getting this and I love this. I love that the stripe goes a different way. This one's gonna go in the maybes. Oh my gosh, I bought a neutral rails, Hunter rails this year. I had a neutral one. See, this is why I need to do capsules because it makes me pay attention more. And I already took the tags off of the other one. Darn it. That's right, I'll make use of them. A striped turtleneck t-shirt. I don't know why. This I think was Free People or J. Crew. I'm not really sure which. It's super cozy, oversized, funnel neck, turtleneck. Okay, onto the black. So this is like sweater tee with a detail on the sleeve. It's fine, but I don't love it. I was on a trip with these Vince Camuto tops and I never wear them. I bought so many and they're just not my thing. This is that Good American mock turtleneck bodysuit. Love this, it's super slimming. This is a Roberto Cavalli. It's a detailed black blouse. I love it in the winter. This was a top from Amazon. I saw someone wearing it. I'm influenced just like you guys and I was like, oh, I have to have that. Obviously I didn't. This is a black tunic, like slouch sleeve type of top. I have to think about that. I used to wear it all the time. Will I wear it again? Then I have just a black turtleneck. This is great for layering. This is a black waffle knit, just sweatshirt. Again, great for layering. I don't know, this one's a maybe. Then a black V-neck tunic style top. I don't need this. This is the one I thought I was talking about earlier. It's from Free People. It is a tunic. It is a turtleneck, but it has a slit in the back. It's actually a really neat detail. Aqua, we have a black crew neck cashmere. Aqua, we have a black cashmere turtleneck. This one is from Lily Silk. It is a black boat neck cashmere. A halogen, black crew neck sweater. And then this is a Vince, I think. Vince Camuto. Vince Camuto, this is a high-low kind of stripe, I don't know, don't love this. So that's it. That's everything out of that one closet that I went through and cleaned out. I will show you here how I decided to store the things I had. As I mentioned, if you have any suggestions for thicker sweaters, I do have a whole set of drawers I need to go through that have thicker sweaters in it as well. I'll do that maybe in an upcoming video, but let me know if you have any suggestions for those style of sweaters. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos from me on styling my fall capsule wardrobe and more closet clean outs.